Kamsi, Kamsi, you should come and carry food. So since that time, I'm still looking for bossers. Oh yeah, carry. Where is Destiny? This one is it. Yeah, carry. Let me put it. Probably this is Destiny. Yeah. Go to that. It's so that you wear your uniform. Okay, my family people, how na day? Good morning. So I'm done packing my kids' food lunch this morning. So I'm done with everything cooking this morning. So I'm just waiting for my kids to finish eating. Then they will dress up and head off to school, start going. You understand? This 6:31. It should be 6:32 now. Okay, 6:31. So that's all for this morning, and today is Monday. Happy new week, and I wish you guys good luck in your businesses, in whatever thing you are doing. Good luck, many more money in this week, and good health. Stay safe in this week, you understand? So let the week begin. Let me go and check if my kids are finished, so that all of us will go to school, you understand? Because once they go to school, I'll be quiet, the house will be quiet, you understand? So keep watching, and don't forget to give us a like, share our video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you are seeing our face for the very first time, is your girl, your mama Adachus in the building. So you get to love us. Keep watching. You should eat fast, eat fast. See you guys in my next clip or my next video, any which way. The video continues. Now that you know that you will sew your trouser, since Saturday, be Friday, is now. Wow, breeze.